Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. Hi, my students, D2P13, D2P12 and D3P6. Please drop down a comment. Oh, which class are you from? What's your name? For attendance. Okay? Okay, for your information, today we are going to learn new topic, which is differentiation. Okay, we have done the first topic, which involving limits, and then the second topic, which consists of differentiation but focusing on basic rule, chain rule, quotient rule, and product rule. And today onwards, okay, for these 2 weeks, we are going to cover chapter differentiation, still differentiation, but focusing on exponential function, log function, and trigonometric function. So I really hope that you give full concentration because this is going to be something new for you, not like in previous chapter where you have learned during secondary school. So please call your friends, those who still not inside our, still not joining our session. Okay, thank you so much. Hi, Haikal. Okay, Haikal, where's your face? Change the camera, okay? Madam can see you. Hi. Oh, okay.
Hi, madam. Good afternoon.
Hi. How's your internet? Okay.
Yeah, I think it's stable for now.
Okay, Haikal gelap sebab ni belakang you
Lighting.
cahaya. You lighting. So angle sikit
Yeah.
lain sikit ke? Macam mana ke? Cuba adjust sikit. Like your position tu. Okay, kawan-kawan tak nampak. Diorang rindu kat kawan-kawan ni. Okay, at least we have representative. Okay, so the feeling is more exciting. So let's look at the comment. Oh, we have 23 comment. Okay. So now we have Aziza. Hi Grace. Hi Khalida. Hi Luqman. Hi Aisyah. Okay, hi. Okay, cuba teka siapa kawan kita dekat stream sekarang, dekat live on YouTube with Madam. Teka. Ada rupa tak kawan you all? Okay. How was the class so far, Haikal? The online classes. How is it going so far?
Pada saya so far so good.
So far so
Everything went
good,
well.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. Assignment semua ada yang dah submit ke? Macam mana?
Untuk kelas saya setakat ni baru dapat, belum ada yang submit.
Okay, baru dapat. Okay, so you're gonna receive a math assignment soon, very soon, multiple assignment, group discussion, assignment, quiz, Alright. Supermodel Malaysia, Grace kata. So today we have double one, Madam one and one Izzat Haikal. Betul kan? One Izzat Haikal kan nama?
Betul saya memang.
Ke one Haikal?
One is Ika, betul.
Alhamdulillah Madam masih ingat nama you all, walaupun dah beberapa minggu tak masuk. Tak jumpa you all in face to face. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Okay Haikal, today we are going to learn differentiation exponential and kawan-kawan semua dah sempat download tak the notes given to you at the Telegram group? Okay, it's okay if you...
Saya dah pernah.
Okay, if tak sempat, it's okay. Later you can do some revision, okay, based on this video. Okay, so now I am going to share the screen. Okay, one note. Okay, so Haikal boleh tolong cikgu respond lah if the screen can be seen already ke, if there is any problem ke. So yeah, if you look at the screen now, okay, differentiation of exponential function. Okay, can everyone manage to see it clearly? Yes? Okay, how is my mic? Is it okay? Comment okay? Okay, so far yes, Madam. Alina kata okay, Alhamdulillah. Audio okay, Fatimah cakap okay. Alright, so let me delete the ticker dulu sekejap, ya. All right. So yeah, let's look at our notes. Okay, differentiation. Okay, differentiate the exponential function. If you can see here, this is y equals to ex. Then dy over dx is still e to the power of x. So maksudnya kalau sebelum ni you all differentiate y equals to 3x square, it give you what? It give you 6x, right? So this is a polynomial function. And then if you have a more complicated function such as 3x plus 2 to the power of 2, for example, dy dx is equals to 2, 3x plus 2, 2 minus 1, 1, and then you times with 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3x plus 2, right? But now, when you differentiate exponential to the power of x, will give you ex juga. Macam tu. Okay. Madam padam dulu ini because it's not what we want to learn today. It's just a revision for you. Okay. So, y equals to ex is the only function which remains unchanged when differentiated. Okay. Okay, just now if you have y equals to e to the power of x, but now you have more complicated function where the power no longer x, but it can be any function. Apa contoh any function? Maksud dia for example y equals to e 2x. Ataupun y equals to e 2x plus 3, for example. Okay, this is what we call function fx. Understand or not? Okay. Okay, it's crucial for you to identify this kind of function. Okay, what you're gonna do if given to you y equals to e to the power of fx, to the power of a function. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you have to copy the function as it is. Sama kan, efx dengan efx, copy, and then you differentiate the function of the power. So tips yang pertama, bear in mind the tips is CD. What you do for CD, copy and differentiate. Kalau you ingat ini, insyaAllah selamat. All the way when you answer the differentiation of exponential, you will always get it correct. Copy and differentiate. Okay, let's look at the example. Okay, this is basically how the formula is came from, but it's not crucial for you as long as the formula that you're using is correct. So what I tell you earlier, copy and differentiate. Differentiate the function. Differentiate. Okay. Okay, this is differentiate. Okay. All right, let's do example 1. Okay, example 1. Differentiate each of the following function. So, Haikal. Haikal, mari dengan cikgu. Okay, what is the answer? If using the properties copy and differentiate. Okay, apa kita buat, Haikal? So, it's gonna be y equals to dy over dx equals to
y over dx equals to 5x.
Okay. Yes. Okay, sekejap. I ambil pen yang ni sikit. Dia terlalu tebal. Sekejap. Okay. dy over dx equals to, Haikal, copy e 5x times
e 5x. Okay.
The differentiation of the function. Apa dia? The differentiation of the function. So 5. Yeah. So you differentiate 5x, you get 5. Okay. And then you rearrange. Okay. You rearrange 5e 5x. That is basically the answer. That's it. Senang tak? Easy peasy lemon squeezy, bak kata Grace. Easy kan. Okay. Let's do the next example. Okay, y equals to E3x. Okay, now this time Haikal, dy over dx. And kawan-kawan lain juga. Okay, copy. So E3x plus 4 times with?
Times 3.
Yes,
Times 3,
3.
is it?
Okay, and then we
Yeah.
rearrange. We don't let the constant at the back. We don't let the constant at the back. Usually we put
Okay.
exponent, log, and a trigo function behind. The most behind adalah tiga function itu. Other than that, you put it to the front. So this will become 3e3x
3
plus
e power 3x plus 4.
4. Yes, correct. Okay, this is our final answer. Very easy. Yes, thank you Aisyah Humaira. Copy, differentiate. Copy, differentiate. Okay, Mirza, we have Echa, Zulaika, Aina, Grace. Okay, thank you. Alright, let's move on to the next example. Okay, y equals to, okay, so dy over dx. Okay, apa dia Haikal?
Kita copy balik e power to
Yes.
x square. Dua x.
Yes, you're right. So now becoming 2x. So 2x bring to the front. Okay, and
Okay.
then ex
E
square.
power x
Okay,
square.
clear. Very clear. I really hope that it's very clear for you. All right. Okay, let's try this example. So now it becomes it's getting tougher. It's getting tougher. Okay, so first step first step apa kita buat? This is basically set ni apa sebenarnya Haikal? Dia adalah 1 over 2, right?
Yes, power 1 over 2.
Yes, so dy over dx is equals to, okay, what we're gonna do first? Copy.
P. Copy e.
Okay, and then, okay, I've done the copy part and then differentiate. Differentiate siapa?
1 over
Differentiate.
2.
Yes, differentiate x minus 1 over 2 ni, betul tak? Okay, betul? Differentiate dia kan?
Betul.
Okay, so I haven't differentiate, tapi I tahulah I akan differentiate. Since I haven't differentiate, I write down d over dx. Okay, nampak you all? D over dx ini, if you haven't differentiate, you write down d over dx. Then you have another step. You have another step which is equals to 3e. Ini as usual, but this one you have to differentiate. Okay, you conteng lah dekat mana-mana. X minus 1, 1 over 2, differentiate, you get 1 over 2 x minus 1. Okay, 1 over 2 minus 1. You get negative 1 over 2. And then don't forget the differentiation of the function dalam ni. Dapat apa? 1, right? Differentiate x, you get 1. So you nak tulis boleh, tak nak tulis pun tidak mengapa. Okay, so you have you have find the differentiation of set x minus 1. You masukkanlah dalam ni. Okay, apa you dapat? 1 over 2 x minus 1 negative 1 over 2. Betul? Okay, so bila pemeriksa tu tanda copy betul, differentiate betul. 2 marks for that. And then there is another marks for apa? Agak-agak Haikal, apa dia Haikal? Kawan-kawan yang lain. Okay, what is the next step?
Patutlah kita darabkan 1 per 2 tu dengan 3 kat depan ni.
Yes, exactly. Bukan perlu ke, you have to. It's compulsory. So meaning that you have to simplify whatever constant you kena sekalikan. Okay. So constant have to sekalikan. So 3 over 2. Hilang dah pen medium sekejap. Okay, 3 over 2. Okay, so this part a to the power of negative 1 over 2 will become 1 over a set. Is everyone agree with this?
Okay.
Semua orang dah mahir kan benda ni kan? Okay, because madam nak letak kat bawah ni. I want to put it here. Okay, x minus 1. Okay, this is for the purple one. And the exponent, copy as usual, 3e. Okay, kita besarkan sikit. 3e x minus 1. That is your final answer. Okay, clear or not clear? Do I have to repeat or do I have to proceed? Very clear so far? For Haikal sendiri, clear tak?
Clear. Saya faham.
Haikal clear. Haikal boleh tolong madam screenshot, nanti boleh masukkan dekat dalam group Telegram kan, macam biasa. So maybe for those who have internet problem, by looking at the Telegram group dah ada gambar. But then if he or she need further explanation, obviously he need to either finding friends or watch my videos again, ya. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Okay, Aisyah Humaira kata proceed. Okay, mari madam tengok konti sekejap. Okay, so look at the comment. Okay, clear. Aisyah kata proceed, clear. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Yes. Okay, very good. Change back to sit. Okay, so if you ask me, madam, when is necessary to change to cert and all that? When? Bila kita nak buat 1/2? Bila kita nak buat cert? Whenever necessary. Bila you nak differentiate? Okay, when you want to differentiate, of course, cert ni tukarkan kepada 1/2. But you want to present your answer, of course, you present in a cert form lah. Okay, in a cert form like this. Okay, so I really hope that it's very clear to you because we are going to look at the further tougher example. Alright. Tengok ni eksponen atas bawah ni. Eksponen atas bawah. But don't worry. Just now earlier at the beginning tadi, I have told you the differentiation of EX. What did you get the differentiation of EX? EX. We get EX as well, right? But if we differentiate now E negative X. Okay, kawan-kawan, if we differentiate E to the power of negative X, we get E negative X, salin dulu, and then the differentiation of the power ni, the differentiation of the function, we get negative 1, right? So we have to put negative over here, so it becoming negative E to the power of negative X. Clear or not clear? Okay. Alright. So kalau dah clear, mari kita buat dy over dx equals to, okay, this is your u, this is your v. This is basically what? This is quotient rule. So quotient rule, v u prime minus u v prime over v square. Okay, what is your v? V is ex plus E negative X, salin sebiji. And then the differentiation of U, we get EX. So ini pun kena buat bracket lah. Sekejap, kita tukar purple. Okay, and then minus. Minus with U. What is our U? Our U is EX. EX. What is our V prime? V prime. So our V prime is, okay, ni madam kena bawa lari jauh sikit. Allahu Akbar. Sekejap Ini bawa jauh sikit. Okay, I move. Move to the right. Okay. Right, okay. Okay, nicer. Alright, so differentiate V. So we get, differentiate EX, we get EX, differentiate E to the power of negative X, as I mentioned here, it becoming negative E negative to the power of negative X. Okay, agree? Is everyone agree with that? Haikal boleh tak Haikal? So far okay Haikal?
Boleh juga.
Faham yang hujung ni? Yang hujung ni. The differentiation of V prime ni. Ni this
Oh,
one.
yang V-prime tu saya kurang faham.
Okay, so I ulang Ini kan U kan? This is our U, right? U ambil saja e to the power of x at the top. And then the V prime. Okay, this is our V. We want V prime. So since we want V prime. So differentiate dia. E to the power of x, I dah kata differentiate EX, we get EX. Here. Right? Differentiate EX, we get EX. And then differentiate E to the power of negative x. Tadi dekat sini dah bincang differentiate e to the power of negative x, we get negative e to the power of negative x. Okay. So now v square. So v square is basically ex plus e negative x square. Ambil saja v tu kuasakan dengan 2. Okay. So now apa yang kita nak buat? Okay, perhatikan betul-betul di sini. Apple dengan apple. Ada tak apple dengan apple kat sini? Tolong call Nabiha. Cakap datang dia untuk kemas. Okay, so I continue. Okay, sorry. Alright, so Haikal, madam nak tanya ni, nampak tak apa yang sama at the top? Can you see any similarity at the top? Siapa yang sama?
E to power x.
Yes, betul. Ini sama tak ini? Ini dengan ini sama tak? Tak, this is positive, this is negative. So it's not the same. Yang sama adalah this one, right? So what we gonna do if we have the same common? If we have the common, so we have to factor the common. So bear in mind here, factor common function, factor common function. Okay, so now we are going to factor out e to the power of x. Okay, so apa yang tinggal adalah ex plus e negative x and then minus. Okay, minus siapa? Ini dah factor. Ini dengan ini dah factor out. So tinggal apa? Tinggallah ex sahaja, right? Okay, sekarang negative become positive e negative x. Okay, I ulang, negative become positive. Okay, and then now over with salin je sebiji ex plus e negative x square. Okay, boleh semua? Boleh? Okay, so sekarang apa yang madam boleh cancel? Haikal, apa yang madam boleh cancel? Is there anything that I
to the power x?
Yes, exactly. E to the power of x. Ini dengan ini dia bukan cancel, dia akan jadi bertambah, betul tak? Kan? So this one dengan this one we can cancel out. Okay, when we cancel out, okay. Okay, sekejap. Ex, alright. So what we left here is ex and then this one and this one becoming to e negative x over. Over, yang bawah tak kacau dah. Bawah tak kacau dah. Okay, why not madam langkah sikit supaya korang nampak perbezaannya. Kalau tak korang macam nampak semua macam everything sama je. Ex, okay. So e negative x plus e negative x. Itu saja yang tinggal at the top tu Sebab tadi kita sudah cancel. Okay. So over with this one as it is. Sama je. Nothing we do at the bottom. Okay, now we want to simplify. Okay, ini jadi apa ni? 1 apple tambah 2 apple jadi?
2e to the power of negative x.
2e negative x, betul? Okay, over with ex plus e negative x square. Okay, lagi kita boleh expand. Macam mana kita expand? Ini dengan inilah. Kena kira ni berapa. So 2 ex times E negative X. Apa jadi? Ini bila darab apa jadi? E X plus and then minus X. So it becoming
minus
E zero. E zero tu apa? E to the power 0, anything to the power of 0 is equivalent to 1. Okay, 5 to the power 0, 1, 7 to the power 0, 1, negative to the power 0, 1. E exponent, you tekan calculator to the power 0 also will give you 1. So the answer will be 2 over E x plus E negative x to the power of 2. Okay, clear or not clear? Do I have to repeat any of the working here? Okay, screenshot Haikal atau siapa-siapa? Clear or not clear? Let's look at the comment. Okay, yes, tips kedua Aisyah Humaira, bagus. Dia kata factor common function, betul. Clear. Aisyah Humaira clear lah. Orang lain macam mana? Haikal sendiri okay tak Haikal? Should I proceed or I have to repeat all over again? Or you want, or maybe at night time you watch back? Huh?
Ya. Saya akan ulang balik video ni. Saya ulang.
Apa dia Haikal? Ulang balik which part?
Saya rasa teacher punya penerangan semua okey, saya faham. Saya boleh delete video ni, saya buat revision balik.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. Okay, Amar Irfan kata crystal. Okay, alright. Bagus. Okay. If then, okay, we will proceed. Okay. Haikal tak berapa nampak muka, Haikal nampak dahi je. Bawah sikit. Dia malu. Tak apa. Okay, cukup sifat kan semua kan? It's okay, tak apa. Okay. Alright, Tun faham, Alif faham. Okay, alright. We continue. Let's continue. Okay, dah ada yang screenshot semua? Okay, nanti I wait at the Telegram group Someone screenshot? Alright. Continue. Alright. So now, if just now we are looking at the what we call that? The quotient, a function that need a quotient rule to be able to what we call that? Okay, so now we are dealing with product rule. Nampak tak ini product rule sebenarnya? Okay. Mana dia nak full screen ni? Tak full screen pun. Sekejap Okay, dah. Dapat dah. Okay, so now. Okay, first of all, student kena nampak this is two function tau. Satu X. Okay, this is fx. And then this one is, alamak. Kenapa colour ni? Okay, sekejap Okay, you mesti nampak this is satu function, this is another function. Dia tak boleh sekali, dia bukan dia tak sama dengan 3E1 plus X. If 3, senanglah, it is a constant, but then this is a function. Once you have X beside, okay, so it is another function. Therefore, you have to use product rule. Okay, product rule. What does product rule say? Since dia tambah, so whichever lah, siapa-siapa kat depan pun tak kisah. UV prime plus VU prime. Therefore, dy over dx equals to, okay. So what is your U? U, okay, gini kita panggil U lah The fx, gx kan macam-macam pula unknown yang you are dealing with. So I delete sikit fx ni sekejap. So this is U, this is your V. Okay, this is your V. Okay, so calling for u is x. What is your v prime? So v prime differentiate e to the power of 1 plus x. Salin dulu. 1 plus x. Kemudian the differentiation of the power which is 1. So we leave it as that. Plus with v. What is your v? Okay, your v is e1 plus x. What is your u prime? U prime. Tadi u adalah x, so u prime you differentiate x, you get 1. Nak tulis boleh, tak nak tulis pun tidak mengapa. Okay? Alright. Okay, lagi. Haikal, okay, I nak tanya ni. Is there anything that we can factor out? Is there any comment?
E to the power 1 plus x.
Yes, exactly. Itu common tu. Tak boleh dibiarkan sebegitu sahaja. What you gonna do is you factor out E1 plus X. So factor out will give you X. Okay, if this kita factor out, Haikal dapat apa?
X
Dan
plus
kawan-kawan lain,
1.
kita factor out this part, dapat apa? Mari tengok. Mari kita tengok komen. Madam nak tengok komen. Factor out. Belakang dapat apa? Okay. Okay, Lagi komen lagi? Okay. Tak ada belum lagi. Okay, factor out dapat apa semua? Factor out will give you? Haikal, will give you? Ni, factor out this will give you?
1.
Yes, exactly. So this is our final answer. Inilah dia final answer kita. Okay, very clear. I really hope it's clear to you. It's very clear to you. Jangan rasa, don't feel that exponential function is hard. It's hard. It's not. If you remember CD, what is CD? C for?
Copy and differentiate.
Copy and differentiate. Yes, very good. Hari ini kita belajar CD. Suka hati you lah nak MACD ke, CD ke. Yang penting CD tu ada. Okay. So madam rasa lepas ni madam buat laju-laju sikit lah. Okay, I leave it to you GHI. Class, I leave it to you GHIJ for you to answer. Okay, GHIJ kejap lagi akan sebutkan sesiapa nama yang I suka untuk dipilih menghantar jawapan di Telegram group. Dalam masa yang sama, I've given to you tutorial for you to answer tomorrow. Okay, to answer tomorrow within 1 hour. Okay, so now I leave it to you this 4 question. I am going to discuss with you this question. So adalah extra question untuk you. Okay, let's do this together. This is a revision for exponential. So siapa yang tak berapa faham tadi or maybe faham 80%, now by doing this extra example you will fully understand 100%. Okay, alright. So now dy over dx. Okay, besarkan. Mari kita besarkan. Alright. So dy over dx. Okay, copy. So e5x square and then differentiate. Differentiate 5x square. Differentiate dapat apa? Okay. Differentiate we get. Haikal, we get
10x.
differentiate 5x square.
10x.
What? Yes,
10x.
you're right. Okay, and then 10x bring to the front. And then this is your final answer. Easy or not? Very easy. Okay. So that's done the first part. Okay, let's do the second question. Okay. So dy over dx. Okay, copy e3x squared minus 2 and then differentiate. Differentiate the function 3x squared minus 2. Okay, so copy e3x squared minus 2 and then the differentiation. Apa dia? Wan Izzat Haikal? Yang lain jangan jealous lah madam panggil Izzat Haikal je. Madam dah bagi link for you to join. Next time, please take this opportunity to participate. Tak apalah for those who have internet yang stable lah Other than that I faham sahaja, tak ada masalah. Okay, you respond dekat dalam YouTube comment pun tak ada masalah. Okay, and then once you rewatch, don't forget to like, subscribe and share and comment juga dekat bawah tu after live pun. Okay, it's very, you do not know how much it means to me. Madam semangat kalau you all active, participate actively. Tahu tak? Jangan klik-klik sahaja. Okay, 6x. Okay, 3x square differentiate dapat 6x, differentiate 2 dapat kosong. Okay, so 6x E 3x square minus 2. So this is our final answer. Okay, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, we have last 2 example before we end our session today. Okay. Okay, last 2. dy over dx equals to, okay, so 5ex square. You tengok function exponent ni, dah ada polynomial to the power of ni complicated pun we copy. Apa kita buat? Copy. And then differentiate. Okay. Dia tak berubah. Dia sama je dia punya formula. Copy, differentiate. Copy, differentiate. So what are we going to differentiate now? D dx? X squared minus x. Okay. So now 5e x squared minus x. Okay, once we differentiate this, we get 2x minus 1. And then tak cantik macam ni. We have to bring to the front. Okay. Tips. Tips yang ketiga. Tips yang ketiga. Apa dia? Tolong tulis dekat komen. Tips yang ketiga apa dia? Madam cakap exponent, trigo, ln, mesti semua you put it at the back. All the constant, all the polynomial you bring to the front. Please restate my words so that other students will aware of it. So 5, 2x minus 1, ex squared minus x. Okay, there you go. That's our final answer. Okay tak Haikal? Dia semakin senang tak Haikal?
Senang je. Saya faham cakap
Senang ke tak sebenarnya?
Senang je.
Senang je. Okay, last one lah Haikal last one So dy over dx, okay, ex plus 3 to the power of 1 over 2, betul? Okay, and then differentiate siapa? Mula-mula kita copy. Okay, and then now we are going to differentiate. Okay, differentiate. You all tak payahlah tulis perkataan ni I am writing this to you so it become clearer to you. Okay, 1 over 2. Okay, now differentiate. X plus 3, 1 over 2. You get 1 over 2. X plus 3, 1 over 2 minus 1. You get negative 1 over 2 and then copy semula ex plus 3 set ni tadi. Okay. And then you have to rearrange bagi cantik sikit. Okay. Okay. Always A. Tips yang keempat. Okay. A to the power of negative 1 over 2 is equals to 1 over set A. Ini kena tahu ni. Okay, nampak aja to the power of negative 1 over 2, setengah-setengah ni dia adalah 1 over set A. So, I will bring this x plus 3 to the bottom. And then this is basically 1 over 2 kan? 1 over 2 ni adalah punca kuasa lah. Okay, I padam, I letak punca kuasa. Okay, and then this is E exponent. So, letak sini E x plus 3. 1 tak tulis pun tak apa. 1 tak payah tulis lah kalau dia 1. Okay, this is our final answer. Okay? Okay. Alright, let's look at the comment. Now, so far so good ke? Dah pengsan ke macam mana ke? Bagus Fatimah. Tips yang ketiga, exponent trigo ln put at the back. Yes, very good. Aisyah Humairah pun. Tips number 4, a to the power of negative 1 over 2. So, bila you tulis tips ni, so for those students yang rewatch balik, dia akan give extra attention lah. Sebab medium tak sempat nak tulis ini tips yang keberapa ke apa ke sebab dah sibuk menulis jalan kerja kan. Okay, so I think that's it for today. Okay, we try to make it short so that save your data, but it's very, I really hope it's very meaningful to you. It's very very clear my explanation very clear to you. Okay, so far Haikal macam mana? Medium besar kan? Haikal depan sikit Haikal. So far so good. Macam mana exponential?
Sekarang ni senang je. Saya faham semua apa yang cikgu explain.
Alhamdulillah. So far kawan-kawan semua belajar tak yang lain tu?
Belajar ke? Kira kat sebelah saya ke?
Belajar. So make sure this pandemic time is actually it's a very challenging time, but it can be very advantage. Why? Why did I say it very advantage to you? Because you don't have to spend your time to do like walking to the day one kuliah, you know, pergi lari-lari, pergi blok 2, blok 3, mak-mak, whatsoever. You belajar mengikut you punya keselesaan, right? At your own comfort. But then you don't take this for granted, meaning that if the class session you must participate very well. You didn't take this as a advantage untuk you tidur bangun pukul 10 tak semua tak macam tu kan. I believe that my class tak macam tu lah, right? Can I trust you all? Okay, semua okay kan? Alright. Okay, thank you. Okay, I think that's it for today. Okay, I'll see you soon. Okay, bye on the next session. Take care. Assalamualaikum. Thank you, Haikal. Thank you, everyone. Okay, bye. Take good care of yourself.
Bye.
Okay, Haikal okay. Okay, ni Halimatun ada cakap index form or set form? Set form sayang. Set Ini set form. Okay, I think that's it for today. Bye. Take good care of yourself. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.